Hi friends, let's begin drawing rainwater harvesting. When you start drawing, the first step is to draw a horizontal line. Now, on top of this line, we are going to construct a house. Follow along. I'm drawing 2 vertical lines, followed by a third vertical line. This forms the front portion of the house, while the side view will be drawn next. Mark the center portion, then draw 2 slanting lines on either side. On top of that, I'm going to draw 2 more slanting lines and close them off to complete the roof. Next, I'm drawing a horizontal line. This represents the drain pipe. I'm closing it off and adding another horizontal line to complete the roof. The bottom part of the drain pipe consists of 2 parallel lines. Now, let's add a chimney to the house. We'll also draw a door with a small circular knob. For the windows, I'll divide them in the middle so they appear as 2 separate panes. Above them, there will be a ventilation section in the front of the house. Additionally, I'll draw a large window in the center of the front view. At the bottom, I've left some space where we will add bushes to create a garden-like, realistic view. On the other side, we'll connect the drain pipe to a storage tank. To draw the tank, sketch 2 parallel lines and connect them at the top with a curve. These lines should extend upward to form the tank, similar to the ones we have in our houses. Now, I'm adding slightly curved lines across the tank to represent its embossed grooves. Next, we'll draw a small tap, which will be colored black. For the background, let's add some clouds, as they are a key part of the scenery. I'm drawing a few clouds of different sizes, including one that looks distant. Now, let's add raindrops falling from the clouds. You can place them randomly, they don't need to be in a straight line. Make sure to add raindrops to all the clouds. Inside the tank, we'll draw wavy lines to indicate that water is stored inside. Now, let's start coloring. I'm using alcohol markers and colored pencils to fill in the entire picture. I'll color the clouds with a light blue shade. For the house, I'm using a pinkish red shade for the roof and yellow for the walls. For the windows, I'm using aqua blue. Since wooden doors are typically brown, I'll use a brown shade for the door. As usual, bushes will be green. You can use light green, dark green, or any shade of green you have. I'm also adding red flowers to the bushes for a natural touch. Now, let's color the drain pipe. You can use any color, but I'll use blue to indicate that rainwater is flowing through it into the storage tank. The storage tank will be light blue, representing the water inside. Don't forget to draw a few water droplets falling from the tap, just 1 or 2 drops will be enough. Finally, let's complete the drawing by outlining it with a black marker to make it bold and prominent. That's it. The drawing is ready. Now, I'm giving you some parts to label. Rainfall. 2. Catchment area. 3. Drain line. 4. Runoff. 5. Reuse. Hope you liked this video. See you soon in my next drawing session. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.